What's up, everybody? I hope y'all watching, cause I guess I was watching my nigga, my brah, Molika on YouTube, and she made this video where she was pretending to be a grandma watching it, and she put up a link to One Guy, One Screwdriver. Haven't seen it, kind of scared, but I'm gonna watch it anyway. So, this is my first time ever seeing it too, so about to watch it, so I'm scared already. Okay, this is my reaction. Hold on.
You are demons. I think the only thing you'll taste today is your own blood.
It's not even possible! Oh! So he put it back in, he put it back in! Ah, that's nasty. Why are white people so nasty? That's just nasty. Oh. Oh, that's just... He going to hell. Straight to hell. He got a first class, all expenses paid, luxurious, put your feet up, you going straight to hell ticket. He going to hell because people in this world just don't do that. That's just nasty. That's nasty. You going to hell. That's nasty. That's nasty. I have the right to be traumatized right now. I have the utmost right. That's just nasty. Wait, what do you do? You just sit around and you just wonder? I wonder if I could put that there. That's just not gonna be the same again. It's not even possible. I'm not gonna be the same again. Not after that. 2 girls, 1 cup. That was something. But that was nasty. That's exactly why I don't mess with penis. That's exactly why I don't mess with penis right there. That just check. Penis, no. Never again. And that's all I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna stop it right here if I say something. Just stop.